Not only how to achieve a radiant skin, but how to maintain a radiant, healthy, and silky smooth skin. So at this moment, it's so exciting for me to share with you the latest edition of the Luna collection, which is the Luna 4 Plus. So we have it over here. This is the Luna 4 Plus. And probably some of you might be wondering, right, we talk about like the whole bacteria in our skin and cleansing. What makes this Luna such a game changer in your cleansing? Because it's not just ensuring your skin that is deeply cleansed, but also proven to remove up to 99% of oil, dirt, impurities, and even makeup residue. Yes. So especially for this Luna 4 Plus, I would like to show you this very cool feature that I really love about it.
Wow!
Magic happens. So this will help you to boost that collagen production while doing your cleansing, which is your daily cleansing. And this is the only device that does both together. So now let's try this. Eyeliner. Let it dry for a bit, right? I'm going to apply a little bit on the Luna, or you can do both ways. You can apply on the Luna or even on the skin itself. Switch it on, and then you just put it on your skin and go circular motion. Yeah, this is so easy, right? Yeah, that's just how. Oh, it's gone already. It's just what, 3 seconds?
Wow!
That's even faster than I expected. Yeah, so you can continue just to give a little bit more exfoliation on this. What other additional extra step that you can take into your skincare routine? We are not just stopping there, but you can also explore Bare and UFO. So let me explain quickly about Bare and UFO, just to give you a little bit more background about it. So Bare is the microcurrent device. So if you are talking about, you want to achieve like a contoured jawline, a lifted cheekbone, and which everybody wants that, right? You can explore Bare treatment. So it is a microcurrent treatment that stimulates the muscle, the 69 muscle on your face and on your neck, so that it will give you that contoured lifting structure on your face. And how do you actually use Bare? Very, very easy. Just 2 minutes in a day, that one treatment. And after 1 week, you'll be able to see a sculpted face already. Now, going into the next step, which is the UFO. Because UFO technology will help you to penetrate the skincare ingredient much better to your skin, which is even deeper to your skin, which is the dermis layer. So while using UFO with all the technology, it helps you to generate the hydration. It helps you to increase your skin hydration level by 126% in just 2 minutes. And also we have UFO with LED light, right? So just now we are talking about Luna 4 Plus, we have the red LED light and the near infrared. While UFO has the rest of family of the LED light, it has total of 8 different color of LED light. So this will help you to heal any skin concern. And it also comes with cooling therapy, especially in Malaysia, it's very humid, right? So everybody enjoy this cooling therapy, but not just for fun, but also helps you to reduce the puffiness and reduce and minimizing pores at the same time. And lastly, we also have the T-Sonic Power Station, which is in all our devices that helps you to stimulate that blood flow on the skin.
Learning how to achieve healthy and radiant skin, we'll go on to our next exciting launch of the year, Peach 2.
So Peach 2 is the ultimate at-home hair removal device that gives you a permanent hair reduction in 6 treatments. So now probably we should try it. What's your name?
Fatin.
Sorry?
Fatin.
Fatin. Okay, thanks to Big. We will be doing on the area over here, right, on the top of the hand. So you see this little hole around the Peach 2. This generates a air cooling system. Yes. So that's why you hear like a hair dryer sounds, right? Because it generates that cooling system. So when you put it on into your hand, do you feel?
But
It's like fan.
It's like a fan.
Yeah.
But is it hot?
No, no, no.
Then you place it into your hand like that, and do you feel additional thing?
Vibration?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know what is that?
No.
So the vibration just now we're talking about the T-sonic massage. So there is the signature T-sonic massage that you can find in all Foreo devices. So the same way, only activated when it touches the skin. Okay, so you place it on, correct? You feel the pulsation, and then you press the button one time and release. Okay.
How do you feel?
It's a bit hot, but then it's gone.
Okay,
Because
When the light is come off, and then it's a bit hot, and then it's gone.
and how about the light?
It's a bit choking for the first time.
Okay. So there are two different modes for IPL Pitch 2. You can do a stamping and glide it along the way. Okay, so we should start. Okay, she's still a bit nervous. So you can start from over here and then just glide it on top. Okay, you press and hold and glide all the way. Okay, that's how fast it is. It takes you like what, 4 seconds? And do you feel painless as well, right? Yes.
I'm also a Pitch 2 user, and what I really like about Pitch 2 is that it's really very comfortable. It's very lightweight, like painless, quick, and actually very cost saving.
Now I see.
So you can have it in cold plated or hot plated.
Oh, I see.
So you can see it's really a lot and can really cover your whole face. Yeah. So this is how you use UFO. Yeah. So this is how you use UFO and it will help you to penetrate into your skin.